Let's talk about instance source feature in Java 17. Instance source feature represents an abstraction over the instant class. It provides a source of current time in the form of an instant. It can be useful when you want to control or manipulate the source of time in your application, especially for testing purposes. Instance source can be seen as a lightweight alternative or complement to Java clock. It focuses on instants rather than full date time manipulation. However, it does not offer methods for converting time zones or formatting. Instance source helps in enhancing the flexibility and testability, and it is useful for scenarios where we require control over time. This interface consists of following methods. First is instant. It returns the current instant. Second is millis. This method returns the current time in milliseconds. Third is system. System method uses default system clock based on UTC. Let us see some code example for instance source interface. So friends, this is the example of instance source. So in this, I have created a class instance source example in which I have created a instance source object and I have created a public constructor in which I'm taking an instance source and creating the object instance source. Then I have a method which uses instance source dot instant method and it prints the current time. And this method it prints the current time in milliseconds. So let's run this. First, I'm creating instance source example object. I'm creating it with the help of a method instance source dot system. So it will give me the current time, and I'm printing both current time and current time in millis. So first, let's comment this line. Okay, now this current time and current time in millis have been printed. So here we can see it's giving me current time which is happening currently. So that is 17/8/08/2024 and with the current timestamp and same it is printing in milliseconds. Now if I want to use a fixed time here, so for that I can use instant.pass and in which I can print the fixed time and I can use that and then I can print this. Now after running this, let's see the result. So here we can see it is giving me a fixed time and which I can use in my test cases also. So this helps in testing also with the help of this fixed value. So this is the example of instance source. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.